I'm actually going to switch lenses. There's enough space over here to be off the trail, like a nice stopping point to get some equipment out, because it's really cool. Wait till you guys see this. Previously on the vlog. Now we are here at First Beach in La Push, and we're going to watch the sunset tonight. Good morning, everyone. Here in Forks, we're gonna head to get breakfast, and then we'll be off on our hike. It's supposed to be about 80 degrees today, which is a little warm for hiking. So have to make sure that we're drinking enough water and all that. Alright, I just had breakfast at the Forks. It's called the Inn Place. It's like the Forks Diner, home-style restaurant or whatever. The food was pretty good, so we're walking up to the hotel room. The food was really good. We had it for dinner last night. We went for breakfast this morning because it's like the only place in Forks that serves breakfast. Food's good. Last night I had a Reuben with fries. This morning I had gravy and biscuits with 2 eggs and hash browns. Hash browns weren't very good, but everything else was great. The service sucked. Both times we had to wait quite a while to get our order taken. And today it took about an hour to get our food. Had to check out of the hotel room, which I never showed you guys. So what if we do like a quick hotel tour right before we leave? So it's just a cheap motel that we stayed at, but it was recently renovated. Like, you can tell the carpet is new, and the paint on the walls is new, and it's a very clean place. But it's got like the sofa and coffee table, 2 queen beds. You know, you got like the desk, the flat screen TV with cable and stuff, refrigerator, microwave, double sinks, and then you've got the bathroom. Had to check out here, head to the Hoh Rainforest to do our hike. I'm excited. Alright, we have parked here at Olympic National Park near the Hoh Rainforest Visitor Center. But we're gonna head to the trails, do a little hiking today. It probably won't be a very long hike for us today because we will have to head home today. I know.
We also had to help a couple with jumping their car.
Yeah, I don't know if they ever figured that out.
And they had to wait an hour for food.
Yeah, it's terrible service there. Good food, bad service.
They definitely serve their locals first.
Yes.
I mean,
they were friendly though.
yeah, but like the locals would walk in, they'll sit down anywhere they want.
Mm-hmm.
And like they don't give a crap.
Yeah, they don't.
I'm sure if we did that, we would get yelled at.
I miss hiking so much. Just the noise of only birds and water and your footsteps. I miss that. That's why like my hiking videos aren't super great. It's only highlights because I love hiking and I don't really record the whole thing because then I just kind of distract myself too much. So you only see the highlights of the hikes I go on. That's why I don't ever post full hike videos. And this is the Hoh Rainforest. So it's a little different than trails I've done in the past because Rainier is such an alpine climate. So tons of coniferous trees, usually small. You know, lots of streams, lots of waterfalls. There's still snow on a lot of the trails. This is so different. The undergrowth is so thick. There's so much moss on all of the trees, like these. And they're all just huge old trees. So really cool. So we're gonna try to reach some waterfalls on this trail today. We're not gonna go too fast. I don't know if you can see them back there. Big waterfall, really pretty. I'm actually gonna switch lenses. There's enough space over here to be off the trail, like a nice stopping point to get some equipment out, because it's really cool. Wait till you guys see this.
For I did not bring home the river and sky.
What kind of berry is that? On the next episode of Chase Charaba Vlogs. Justin and I are here at Mount Rainier National Park, and we are going to do the Carter Falls Trailhead, which is part of the Wonderland Trail.